Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In this video, we'll explore 13 of the healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar that are not only affordable, but also packed with essential nutrients. These foods are perfect for anyone looking to maintain a low-carb or sugar-free lifestyle while still enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, boost energy, or simply live a healthier life, these foods will help you achieve your goals. Let's dive in and discover why these foods are so beneficial and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Number 1. Olive oil. Let's start with olive oil, a kitchen staple that's as versatile as it is healthy. It's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Olive oil also contains antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect your cells from damage. With 0 grams of carbs per tablespoon, olive oil is perfect for cooking, salad dressings, or drizzling over dishes. It supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and keeps your skin glowing. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for optimal benefits. Number 2. Eggs. D or no eggs are one of the most affordable and nutrient-dense foods you can eat. They're packed with high-quality protein, which helps build and repair muscles. Eggs also contain vitamin B12, choline, important for brain health, and lutein, good for eye health. With less than 1 gram of carbs per egg, eggs are versatile. Boil, scramble, or make an omelette. They keep you full, support muscle growth, and are great for brain function. Aim for 1 to 2 eggs per day as part of a balanced diet. Number 3. Ground beef. It is a budget-friendly source of high-quality protein and iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen in your blood. It also provides zinc, which supports your immune system, and B vitamins for energy. With 0 grams of carbs per 100 grams, ground beef is filling, supports muscle repair, and boosts energy levels. Use it in burgers, meatballs, or stir-fries, and stick to 3 to 4 ounces per serving to keep portions healthy. Number 4. Canned tuna. Canned tuna is a convenient and affordable source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart and brain health. It's also rich in selenium, a mineral that supports your immune system. With 0 grams of carbs per can in water, tuna is low in calories, high in nutrients, and supports heart health. Add it to salads, sandwiches, or pasta, and aim for 2 to 3 servings per week to avoid excessive mercury intake. Number 5. Cod white cod is a mild, white fish that's low in calories but high in protein and vitamin B12. It's also a good source of phosphorus, which helps build strong bones and teeth. With 0 grams of carbs per 100 grams, cod is great for weight management and bone health. Bake, grill, or pan-fry it for a light and healthy meal, and enjoy 3 to 4 ounces per serving, 2 to 3 times a week. Number 6. Sardines. If you prefer, sardines are tiny fish with big nutritional benefits. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, calcium from the bones, and vitamin D. These nutrients support heart health, bone strength, and immune function. With 0 grams of carbs per can, sardines are a powerhouse of nutrients and incredibly affordable. Eat them straight from the can, on toast or in salads, and have 1 to 2 servings per week for optimal benefits. If you're enjoying this video and want to learn more about living a healthy life, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. By subscribing, you'll get access to more tips, recipes, and guides to help you stay on track with your health goals. Let's continue our journey to better health together. Number 7. Butter unsalted. Butter is a source of healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are essential for vision, bone health, and immune function. Unsalted butter is a better choice to control sodium intake. With 0 grams of carbs per tablespoon, butter adds flavor and provides essential nutrients. Use it for cooking, baking, or spreading on toast, and stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to keep fat intake in check. Number 8. Tofu is a plant-based protein made from soybeans. It's rich in protein, iron, and calcium, making it a great option for vegetarians and vegans. It also contains isoflavones, which may help reduce inflammation. With 2 to 3 grams of carbs per 100 grams, very low, tofu is versatile, low in calories, and supports muscle and bone health. Add it to stir-fries, soups, or salads, and aim for 3 to 4 ounces per serving, 2 to 3 times a week. Number 9. Bone broth homemade or sugar-free. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue. It's rich in collagen, which supports joint and skin health, and amino acids like glycine, which aid digestion and sleep. With 0 grams of carbs per cup, if sugar-free, bone broth is hydrating, supports gut health, and strengthens joints. Drink it as a warm beverage or use it as a soup base, and enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily for maximum benefits. Number 10. Shrimp frozen. Shrimp is a low-calorie, high-protein seafood option. It's packed with selenium, vitamin B12, and iodine, which support thyroid function and energy levels. With 0 grams of carbs per 100 grams, shrimp is quick to cook, low in calories, and supports thyroid and immune health. Add it to pasta, stir-fries, or salads, and aim for 3 to 4 ounces per serving, 2 to 3 times a week. Number 11. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that's incredibly low in calories, but high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. It also contains antioxidants that help fight inflammation. With 3 to 4 grams of carbs per cup, very low, cabbage is great for digestion, immune health, and weight management. Use it in salads, soups, or stir-fries, and enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily as part of your meals. Number 12. Spinach is a leafy green packed with iron, magnesium, and vitamin K. It's also rich in folate, which is important for cell growth and repair. With 1 gram of carbs per cup, very low, spinach is nutrient-dense, supports bone health, and boosts energy. Add it to smoothies, omelettes, or salads, and aim for 1 to 2 cups daily. Number 13. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein that's low in fat and calories. It's also rich in niacin, vitamin B3, which supports metabolism and brain function. With 0 grams of carbs per 100 grams, chicken breast is filling, supports muscle growth, and aids in weight management. Grill, bake, or sauté it for a healthy meal, and aim for 3 to 4 ounces per serving, 3 to 4 times a week. These 13 foods are not only affordable and easy to find, but also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function at its best. By incorporating them into your daily diet, you'll save money, improve your health, and enjoy delicious meals. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more health tips and recipes. Here's to a healthier, happier you.